Katie May, the principal at Thurgood Marshall Elementary. This activity is called Math Links. For this activity, you'll need your number cards and your counting links. Have your child choose a number card and prompt them to count out that many links. Remember to have them use their math language by saying, "I made a chain of 4 links," after building their chain. Prompt them to check their work occasionally, both when they've counted correctly and incorrectly. This is a teacher trick we use so that students don't rely on us to give them feedback only when they've done something incorrectly. This activity practices number recognition, one-to-one correspondence, fine motor skills, and using math language.